Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to create a deep learning model for eye disease detection. For this, as usual, we are going to use teachable machine, which is a simplified way of creating deep learning model without writing a single line of code. So first off, you have to visit this URL and then you will get this button, get started. Click on that. And then as we are going to take images for our training, we are going to click on image project. Standard image model, you don't have to worry about this for now. And then we are going to upload images for each of our class. We click on upload. Eye disease detection. So the first category of eye disease is bulging eyes. So this is going to be our first class. I'm going to rename it to bulging eyes. And we are going to upload our images for second class, which is going to be cataract. Then another class, which is going to be crossed eyes or squint. Add another class. The next case is glaucoma. So we are adding each class for each of the disease of which we have data. So there would be a last class here for uveitis. And now that we have all the classes, all the eye diseases and data in one place, we are going to click on train model. Additionally, there are hyperparameters here. You can tweak this to see how it affects the accuracy of your model, and to see the accuracy and all the other parameters of the model, you can click on under the hood tab. You'll only get details under this tab once you train your model. And now we are going to click on train model. Now this may take like 2 or 3 minutes depending on the size of your data set and your hyperparameters that you have set. So I'm going to pause this video and come back later. Now that our model is trained, you will get a new tab, preview tab here. So by default it chooses my webcam for input, but we want file input so that we can upload some files, some images, and our model will detect which of the following eye disease does the patient have. So I'm going to click on choose images. I have some pre images here. I have images that I already downloaded. Let me see where they are. Yeah, so here are my images. So first let's go with crossed eyes. Yeah. So the problem is that our image was cropped. That's why it was not able to detect properly. Let's try that once more with a different kind of image. Cataract. I guess this model is not that accurate, but we can try sometime later that we can change these parameters and see how this performs. For now, let's try another one, bulging eyes, which may be easy to detect because cataract and glaucoma may be somewhat similar for our model. So it isn't able to differentiate between the two. Let's check bulging eyes. This should be simple. Yeah. So not with 100% accuracy, but with 70% accuracy, it is able to detect bulging eyes. So we can't say this model is accurate, but at least it works. So that was it for this video, and thanks for watching.